Hi everyone, my name is Alexa Quito and I am currently a junior at Montclair State University. Today we learned about how to network, how to use your opportunities to your full advantage, also how to maintain doors open for yourself. We spoke about the importance of networking and how important it is to start networking now and start selling yourself and how to sell yourself.
What I learned at this event is how to leverage my networking connection skills to create opportunities for myself. In one word, today's event made me feel powerful.
Inspired.
We hope you learned a lot of different tips and tricks that you can use in your near future